Yo, what's up, guys? Your boy, Manny Anthrax, M1. Right now, I'm on my way to a shooting range. My boy Rocha. About to go dumb. About to record the experience with my dog. You know what I'm saying? So I'll catch you guys later when we're at the shooting range. All right. All right, now my boy Rocha picked me up. Mi mano derecha. Vamos a hacer un levantón. And FT3. Alright, we're gonna catch you over there at FT3. Alright, I'm here at the shooting range. My boy Brian, my cousin, and Rocha. We're about to go dummy. You know what I'm saying? Hey Brian, shout someone out. Shout someone out. Shout someone out.
I don't know, man. I don't know who shout out.
Your girl, anything.
I'll shout out to me.
Alright. Shout out to
That's your birthday boy, Jada Zama.
Hey, happy birthday to Jada Zama. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my homie Cubano, G.
I need to change up the fire pit spring. Let's not have. Be careful not to let things. Okay, my turn. Surprising to reach.
Alright, I don't know if you can fucking hear me, but we're almost done. Compa Rocha. Mi mano derecha, la verga. Look at that. Oh! You know how we do it. De M1, güey. Pistolero, pistolero. El compita Brian, el compita Brian, el compita Brian.
What's up?
El compita Brian.
I can't hear you, man.
Whatever, it's like the iron.
It seems like you didn't clean it a lot though.
All you need is a board stick.
So for this, my cleaning, I take the board stick, run it through like 2
What a beast.
Q-tip, I put oil in the barrel, and then I put it away.
Parecieron. Oh, toma. Alright, what you think about that?
Basura right there.
Fucking cloud. Hey Brian, what's your outfit today? What's your outfit today? The Hurley shirt, the Levi's, the Nikes. Nice. Let me see that hat. Let me see that hat. The Lake Show? The Lake Show? Oh,
You go with that championship, you already know.
Alright, Rocha, let me see your fit, G. Oh, perro with the Pro Club. The jeans.
Make sure you're not hitting this much.
Come over here and shoot some shots. You never miss.
Yeah.
That was meant.
FT3. You know what I'm saying? Sponsor me, please.
You never miss.
the whole time. At least I think I am. What do you want me to shoot?
Look at this, G. Alcianon.
Okay.
What a beast.
He's having trouble. You're having trouble seeing the red dot? Go.
Mal, G. He hit it?
Yeah, you don't see the middle?
Oh, damn! Pistolero right here.
Chop.
Gente del Chapo, gente del Chapo. All right, let's see the results. Let's see the results. Brian, look, how beast do you think Rocha did today?
Monster,
Fucking animal, huh?
He should be in the game Call of Duty, man.
Yeah, G, it's my pistolero right here. Yeah, what a fucking beast. Rocha, how do you feel today that you shot a gun for the first time?
Amazing.
That's good. I like that. I like
You
that.
feel like a narco, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My pistolero, mi mano derecha.
Call me Señor de los Cielos.
Wait, which is
You see what my boy did right here. Let's see the damage.
That's all him.
Damn, G, you missed some. Fucking beast. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to shoot the last 10. Vámonos. Slow down. All right, so we're already done with the shooting range. Which after shooting so many guns, smoking so many ops.
You mean 3?
Yeah. How do you feel?
The same.
But were you scared before coming here?
A little bit. Not gonna lie.
Damn. That's my guy right here, no homo, but nah, but like I was saying, you know, whoever wants to come shoot here at FT3, instead of smoking ops, we can smoke targets. Roach, out of 10, what would you rate this experience, bro?
10.
10?
Out of 10.
Do you plan on smoking ops next time?
Nah, fuck that.
All right, nice. You know, you're shooting responsibly. Don't go in the comments saying that it was illegal.
The comments? No, mom, usually.
Yeah, G, but
Is that the... No veo, güey, no mames.
no, you go up. Yeah.
No veo.
No, sí, sale. All right, like I said, I'm adding my videos, G. So everything I say is gonna stay on here. So, you know, this is my homie right here, Rocha. He's gonna be in the vlogs a little more often. Yeah, G, es el güerito del americano.
Stop that shit, man.
All right, guys, so video's gonna finish right here. You know, shooting range con el M1 y el güerito. A la verga, al cienón, you know. Like, comment, subscribe. All right, ladies.